Hello. Now next topic is MySQL command with where clause and with between clause. Now how what is between? The between operator returns true. The between operator returns true if a value is in a range. It means the between operator will take your lower limit as well as your highest limit. Now the expression between low and high means it includes both the values. Now suppose your question is you have to find out the range, you have to find out the person whose ID between 102 and 105. So it means 102 and 105 both values should be included using between. Now the syntax for between is select your field names from table name where your field between range and highest range, your lowest range and highest range. So how you can use in my SQL, you can write select asterisk from emp where id between, you have to write between 102 and 105. You will get the values within this range. The next coming operator is order by. This order means you have to pass order to arrange your data between, means in ascending order or descending order. Like how we can use order by? In order by we can pass select. First of all we are going to check what is in our table. Now this is our table. Now how we can use order by operator? Select, you can write select asterisk from emp order by department number. Now if we are going to check, automatically it will arrange your table according to your department number. You can check, first of all you are getting 10, then 20 and then 30 values. Now the order by has two different order, one is ascending and descending. Suppose we are not going to pass any, suppose we are not going to pass any order, so automatically it will convert into ascending. So how we can check, or you can use like this, select asterisk from emp order by department number ASC for ascending order. Now for descending order you have to write like this, select asterisk from emp order by department number DESC. Descending, for descending you have to write DESC. So automatically it will convert into highest to lowest order. The next clause is like operator. In MySQL with where clause you can write like operator. The like operator basically evaluate to true if the value matches the specific pattern. Pattern means suppose we don't know the person name, we don't know the particular person and value name, value anything, so you can use like operator with the help of percentage and underscore. This underscore you can find out underscore and percentage wildcard characters. The percentage wildcard character matches any string of 0 or more character, while wildcard matches any single character. Like how we can use like operator, you can write select field name from table name where your field name like percents and value. Like here in this table we can write select asterisk from EMP where E name, like we don't know the particular person name whose name we want the person value whose name start with R. So we can write like R percent. R percent means you are going to start with R, but the last character we don't know. So we can write R percent and enter. So only we have two values like Rohit and Ronit, Rohit Kumar and Ronit. So we'll find both the values. Suppose we know the particular person name whose name ends with T. So you have to find out the person name which value ends with T. So you can write select asterisk from EMP where E name like percent T means end with T. So if you are going to start with R, so you can write character then percent. If you are going to end, so you can write percent then T. So now press enter. You will find two values, one is Ronit and one is Mohit. Only two persons end with T. Okay. Now then next is, suppose your value within the your value or your question is, suppose your question is you have to find out the value from the table where T is available in between. So you can write select asterisk from EMP where E name like percent T percent, but you forget to use quotes, then again you have to write percent T percent then semicolon enter. The value which is where you will find T in between, it should be, it can be starting, it can be and it can be in between, anywhere you will find T. If you find T then you can print. Okay, thank you.